In this video, I will be reviewing the Bulka Bread Proofing basket. I do highly recommend it. As you see, I've been using it for about 2 weeks and it works great. The bread proofing is great. It gives the bread great crispiness and great texture, and it is very easy to use. So before you place your dough, you have to powder the basket, and after that you just put your dough inside, and once it's done, take it out. Do not wash this basket, and you just wipe it with a dry cloth. Again, I do highly recommend this product, Bulka. You will find it on Amazon